Hello, I'm Stephen King, the Chief Innovation Officer of the Reese News Lab, as well as I run the Emerging Technologies Lab. Here we are in the Reese News Lab. We're getting ready for our Emerging Technologies class. And we've changed a little bit of things about the room that you may want to see. One, you'll notice it's a little bit brighter. We've got some new furniture that gives us flexible space where we can group students together, we can spread them out, we can do lots of things that help with our innovation, and it's a more flexible space. If you'll come with me, I'll show you some of the tools that we have in this room.
When you left Brazil.
For example, one of our pieces here is the span system. It is a touch screen that allows us to move objects. Multiple students can touch it at the same time. We can share our screen here. If you'll come on farther, I'll show you more.
I can download it, but I think it's a new operating system.
So we can build a presentation that has interactive elements, and I can interact with these pieces. I can bring them to the front, change things out. Students can share this, I can share it right to their laptops, or other students can join on and add to the board from their seats. So there's a lot of flexibility that it gives us in sharing ideas for this. Keep moving around. We have things like whiteboards, old-fashioned. We got lots of Post-it notes and whiteboards. It's something we use for ideation. And you'll see here, we're teaching drones today, so we've got room to put our drones in space here. But one other thing I'll show is we have the main screen, which we could build a horseshoe or a circle around. We can bring the actual computer, the teaching computer presentation, we can put this anywhere in the room. This is a wireless transmitter to the projector, so we can put this anywhere we want to and choose the right format for teaching. So as we try to innovate the future of media, we're also innovating in how we teach and how we share information with our students.